At some point in your life, you're going to think,
I should sell something online.
I could teach people what I know and make money.
I know people will pay me to sell their product.
I think people might pay for my music.
okay, so how are you going to make that happen?
Website. Something professional.
A huge online store? Like Amazon, but just for my stuff.
And links to all my socials.
Okay, great, but how will that help you make money? Here's the problem. Your website is one of 10,500 created every single hour.
What?
That's 250,000 per day.
That's so many websites.
Mine has a logo that my nephew made.
Yeah, and they're all fighting for your customers' attention. Most of those sites are awful. Customers get confused or overwhelmed by too many options, and they leave without buying anything.
Well, what do we do?
I'll tell you. You use ClickFunnels.
ClickFunnels?
ClickFunnels.
I don't get it.
Okay, so here's you,
What it do?
and your prospects are way up here, hanging out on these platforms. A funnel is like a road that moves them over to you.
Cool.
But how?
Well, it's a series of pages that walks your customer through their purchase. It builds trust. They'll know exactly what to do and where to go.
That's good, right?
Yup. It's like having your best salesperson helping them out every step of the way. They get what they want, and you make more money.
I mean, I get it, but for everyone else, can you explain the part where we
Make a funnel? Sure. It's simple. Choose one of our professionally designed templates to create your ideal customer journey. Drag and drop your product, some copies, some photos, and...
Done.
Sweet sassy molassie.
Indeed. And funnels are just the beginning. ClickFunnels is a complete platform that gives you everything you need to build your site, or blog, or store.
Oh, wow.
Also, ClickFunnels has your CRM, email marketing, fulfillment, shipping, real-time analytics, split tests, all under one umbrella.
I love it.
Of course you love it. It's ClickFunnels. And you can get started today for free with a 14-day trial.
I like that price. Let's do this.